Welcome back to After Six Cocktails. Today we're going to make the Floridita. Let's say you found a nice vacation spot on the Gulf Coast. You got your beach chair, you got your book. Everything's doing fine, you want to relax. This might be the cocktail for you. Step one. It says 1/8 of an ounce of grenadine. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna measure 1/8 of an ounce. So I'm just gonna do a bar spoon. I'm gonna do 1/4 ounce of creme de cacao. Get in there. 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth. Half ounce of lemon juice or lime juice. This time it's actually lime juice. 1.5 ounces of rum. I'm using Pusser's Navy rum. It says British Navy Pusser's rum. Until like the 1970s, each sailor in the Royal Navy was given a rum ration, which was then mixed with water. The tradition is that since water and other things didn't keep well on ships in the early days of sailing, they used rum to help keep it void of, I don't know, all these minuscule microorganisms, let's say. And that's where we get grog. Until 1974, there was the daily rum ration. There was a big celebration called Black Tot Day to celebrate the last rum ration in the Royal Navy. And Pusser's Rum was the company that provided the rum. Other than that jibber jabber, I'm gonna put some ice in the glass. Okay, what's the actual 1.5 to 2.5? Oh, this is 1/8 of an ounce. I didn't read that. I did 1/4 of an ounce. My bad. So this is the Floridita. Perfect. This is great. You can taste a bit of the bitterness of the creme de cacao, but that's about it. Everything else is really nice and blended. This is great. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.